Okay, it's good not to grab pawns in the opening. You end up with bad piece coordination. But now a 2-3-7-6. Oh man, what is it today? I'm on the bad part of the auto pairing curve. Bomb. I bet you is his bullet. It's really crap. It's 1167 over 8 games. His bullet, believe it or not, his 3 minute is 1925. I actually personally, I don't mean to be mean about this, but with those ratings, he should be capped at like 2000 or something, 2100 for his 5 minute. You know, I think that will just sort this out. I just find it unbelievable for this guy to have a rating of 1925 at 3 minute and 1167 at bullet. You know, where there's no potential to cheat. But anyway. So e6, knight g7, I mean, I'm under pressure already. But if I play e6, okay. We'll see. 2-3-7-6, that's higher than a lot of IMs basically on this 5 minute auto pairing. You know, maybe, I don't know, I'm tempted, if I see such a mismatch, I'm tempted just to resign and go to the next game sometimes now. Anyway. Alright, let's get over it. So b6, he just takes the rook. That's a good move, e5. It looks crushing actually, for knight e4 if I take knight e4. It looks as though I'm getting done over here anyway. If I castle knight e4, looks strong, really strong. So this is a case where I could almost, I think, resign this position, because knight h6, knight e4 is really damaging. If I castle, then just knight takes d6. So knight e7, you know, he could just take. He's not going to take. He's going to play knight e4. I bet you that's the clinical move, because taking would mean knight f5. But then bishop c5 he might take. Alright, I'll play knight e7. But if he plays knight e4, I'm thinking this is really crushing. Yeah. So knight f5, I bet you g4. Actually, knight f5, is knight f5 so bad? Is this a playable position? Knight f5, g4, can I take on e3? He's got knight takes d6 check. It's horrible. It's just horrible. I'll try and undermine the knight with f6. Try and get the king over there. It's not much fun, this game, really. f6 probably gets slaughtered in some horrible way now. Anyway, I don't want to present you a biased picture of this 5 minute auto pairing, so I'll probably upload this, but I'm going to resign it soon just to save further embarrassment. Knight f5, okay, that looks pretty convincing. For queen e7, I could let him make me. I could resign here. Double check for queen e7. So this guy, believe it or not, he's got a 3 minute rating of 1925. He hasn't played much on 3 minute. He hasn't played much on bullet, but 8 games at 1167. But for some miracle reason, his 5 minutes 2-3-7-6. Well played. Okay, thanks very much. Comments or questions on YouTube?